This is to make sure that carbon monoxide and other exhaust gases that are detrimental to optimal health do not get inside the SUVs and become a hazard to drivers and passengers alike. The U.S. government investigated into the matter and gave Ford a time limit in which to get the job done. The potential for these deadly gases to enter the inner space of vehicles is cause for concern. There have been 2,700 complaints from owners of these SUVs. Also, 3 accidents, not to mention 41 injuries, have taken place. While Ford is not ready to recall all those vehicles, it will be making quick fixes in all of them to ensure the safety standards as set by the U.S. government. Ford still claims that the majority of its vehicles are safe. Among the changes which will be made in this fix are a reprogramming of the air conditioner, a replacement of liftgate drain valves, and inspection of the ceiling of the back side of the vehicle. 1.3 million SUVs are in the United States. The remaining vehicles happen to be in Canada, 84,000, and Mexico, 24,000. The Ford Motor Company has forgone going into the details of the financial burden it has had to incur due to this technical fault in its vehicles.